Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Samsung TV if it has no sound. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this fixed your TV, great. If not, we're now going to try updating the software. Press the home or menu button on the remote, go to Settings, Support, Software Update, and then Update Now. If that solved your problem, great. If not, the last thing we're going to try almost definitely will. But this is a factory reset, so reset your television to the exact same way it was when you got it, and it will delete all your settings and apps. You want to press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnostics, and then reset. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.